Hello everybody, welcome to T&W Electronics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery on your Acer C710 Chromebook. It's a very easy process. All you're going to need is probably a screwdriver, or a pen or a pencil or something. It doesn't really matter, anything with kind of like a tip, and then your new battery. So now we got a quick message from the sponsor of this video.
So the sponsor of today's video is Brian Stark. He is a seller Mercari. I've actually bought some stuff from him. The transaction is very quick and easy, and the shipping is quite fast. He sells baseball cards, tech parts, Pokemon cards, Ethernet cables. There's an iPod up here, that is actually a really good deal right now. You can see he has sold plenty of baseball cards and one Pokemon card in the past. He's got a lot of Pokemon cards right here. This Cat 6 Ethernet cabling, I did buy one of these off of him. He will take custom sizes if you're looking for custom size Cat 6 cable or Ethernet cable in general, and it's a pretty good price. And also all these Chromebook parts and this CPU right here. Wow, that is a really good deal right now. So go check him out. Most of his products sell within a month. So if you're watching this in the next month, he should have some more computer parts, he told me, up, and some more baseball cards, and possibly some Pokemon cards. So go check him out. A link to his page will be in the description. He does accept offers on most of his items, so drop him an offer if you would like the item slightly cheaper. And so go check him out.
So now you need to take this little tool, whatever you have, the point, stick it in the little hole there and pull it out like that. You aren't going to hear it click or anything. You're just going to pull it out till you can't pull it out anymore, and then you're just going to slide the battery out on either side and let go. And here's what the battery looks like, all the information and stuff about it. So now we're going to go get the other battery. And so I got the other battery, and there's grooves on either side, and there's grooves on the Chromebook here, right here. So you need to take this and plug it in like that, and this time you will hear a click, this locking back in, so you will hear that click, and there you have it. You got your new battery. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.